Hi guys, welcome off the 10th Beer Reviews. My name is Chris, that's right. First time Chuggy Award winning YouTuber. That's right, that's my Chuggy. Got it for best intro. I'm gonna change it now. I'm gonna try to do back to back. I'm gonna try it. I got an idea of what I'm gonna do for my intro, but keeping it under 10 seconds is basically what I try to do anyway with all my intros. This one you guys seem to have liked, and I appreciate the nominations and the award, but that's beside the point. I'll put this over here for a second. Shane contacted me. He's like, you want to come over on Friday and hang out and watch the Chuggies? I'm like, sure I do. So I got to Shane's place, Shane's Craft Beer Review. I'll link the above my head right there. Okay. So I get to his place and I'm like, you know what? Let's go sit down, relax, have a beer. I brought a few beers for us to drink and stuff like that. He goes, I got something for you. I'm like, what? So lo and behold, he brings this out. I'm like, what the shit is that? I'm like, I don't know. Just some stuff that we got from South Carolina at the BrewTuber get together, hosted by Nutmeg 2 Palmetto. So we're gonna go into this bag and I'm gonna show you what I got from Shane and crew from down there in South Carolina. Okay. So where to start? Okay. First of all, let's do the swag first before I show you the beers, because there's beers in here and they're cold and they're on my lap and it's freezing my leg off. Chase, the man, Nutmeg 2 Palmetto with a nice insulated mug. It's a little bit chilly because I put it in the fridge with the beers. Also inside here is a Nutmeg 2 Palmetto pin. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that's awesome. That's pretty dope. That's awesome. Thanks, Chase. I appreciate that. Also got some beers from him, but I'll show you that in a minute. But what I really love, and I love the beers and everything, I'm gonna put this down for a second. But I really love this. I got myself a BrewTubers get together shirt. This was in Greenville, South Carolina. Everyone signed it that was there. This is fucking awesome. I love it. I'm going to cherish this. I got the right size for me. It's wonderful. You guys are the best. I love you all. I don't even know what to say. I wasn't even expecting this. I was like, I didn't even go, and they're like, well, Chase says I gotta hook you up. I'm like, that's awesome. Anyway, thanks, Chase, and thanks to everyone that signed this. I am so going to take care of that shirt, but I'll put it over here for now. Let's talk about the beers that I got. One of them I already reviewed, but we'll get to that one in a second. These three are from Chase. Chase, the man himself. What do we get? We got Hops in Excess. This is a, what's this? This would be a juicy IPA with Southern Hemisphere hops at 6.7% alcohol by volume. This is from New Groove Artisan. Oh my god, I can't say brewery. Out of South Carolina. Actually, out of Boiling Springs, South Carolina, which is awesome. He told me to do this one first, so after I do this video, I am going to do this review of that beer, and that'll be out shortly. I also got a beer called Gold Dust. This is from Inner Voice Brewing. This would be is this a double? I can't even tell. I can't even read it. Oh, it's a double IPA. Looks awesome. Gold Dust. Good old wrestler back in the day. Heading south, double IPA, 8.6%. This one is from Fiden's Brewing Company. I'm excited for this one as well. I mean, like, Chase, you're the best. Then I got a couple beers from my man Shane, from Shane's Craft Beer Review. He's like, I had to bring you back something. I'm like, you didn't have to, and he did. I'm like, okay, that's awesome. I got gas station sunglasses from Magnetic South Brewing. This one was already reviewed when I was over there. We opened it, and he had one as well, so we both did a review on this beer. You'll see that one shortly. Anyway, West Coast IPA, Cease and Desist, 6.7% alcohol by volume from Pangea Brewing, out of South Carolina as well. Of course, they're all from South Carolina, I believe. And Adagio's This would be a fodder fermented Pilsner. This one's coming in at a whopping 5.3%, and that is awesome. And she also hooked me up with a vape, which was fucking awesome, and I've already tried it, and it is quite delicious. That's what I got from these guys, and I really appreciate it. So I'm looking forward to drinking all these beers. Like I said, this one was already done. That's coming out soon. In Excess is coming up next in the lineup of videos. So I'm gonna change my shirt. Get ready to do the review, and yeah. So thanks, Chase. Thanks to Shane as well. And you know what? I wish I would have went to the BrewTuber get together, but I couldn't. So I'm looking forward to next year. Anyway, guys, peace out. I'm out of here. I'm gonna drink this Coors Light because it's fucking hot as fuck right now, and I just want to drink it and chill out. So peace out. Bye bye.